Hi everyone, welcome to the Data 100 lecture on regularization. As with other lectures, this lecture is organized around a notebook, but unlike previous lectures, we'll actually start by walking through the notebook and then step back and talk more about the conceptual ideas in regularization. And we will return back to the notebook and demonstrate how to use the regularization tools built into scikit-learn to construct regularized models for least squares regression. As in previous lectures, we'll begin by importing our standard packages. This is the video that I'm recording right now. We'll import NumPy and Pandas, Plotly tools for visualization, and we'll use scikit-learn for model design. We'll operate on the MPG dataset stored in Seaborn. This is a dataset describing the fuel economy of various vehicles, as well as characteristics of those vehicles. If you haven't done so already, please go back to the previous lecture, Lecture 18, where we talk about this dataset and the model design process for this dataset. I have also updated that lecture with more videos describing each of the steps and a walkthrough for the entire notebook. As in previous lectures, we'll also construct a train test split of our data. You may also notice that we chose to split the data not into a 90-10 split, but instead to a 25% split, where we have 25% of the data held out as test data. And we're doing that so we get slightly more consistent estimators when we compare the training, cross-validation, and test errors. All right, so that's the setup for this notebook. In the next video, we'll talk about some of the basic models. This, again, is a quick recap of what happened in Lecture 18. And then we'll use these basic models to compare with more advanced techniques using regularization.